Hello Fanatics! With our review of A Christmas Prince The Royal Wedding coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! A Royal Christmas is a romantic comedy directed by Alex Zamm, starring Lacey Chabert, Stephen Hagen, and Jane Seymour. It follows the story of the prince of a fictional country who defies his mother to marry his young love, a humble seamstress from Philadelphia. This film has similar story elements, characters, themes, tone, style, and atmosphere. There are no unsuitable scenes. A Christmas Kiss is a romantic comedy directed by John Stimson, starring Elizabeth Rom, Laura Breckenridge, and Brendan Furr. It follows the story of a struggling designer who ends up falling in love with her demanding boss's boyfriend after a spontaneous kiss. This film has similar story elements, themes, tone, and atmosphere. There are no unsuitable scenes. 12 Dates of Christmas is a romantic comedy directed by James Heyman, starring Amy Smart, Mark Paul Gosselaar, and Jane Eastwood. It follows the story of a young woman who relives a horrible blind date on Christmas Eve. This film has similar story elements, themes, tone, and atmosphere. There are no unsuitable scenes. The Decoy Bride is a romantic comedy directed by Sharif Folkson, starring Kelly MacDonald, David Tennant, and Alice Eve. It follows the story of a man who plans to marry a famous Hollywood actress, but things get complicated when he starts to fall for her local decoy bride. This film has a similar tone, themes, and atmosphere. There are no unsuitable scenes. Sleepless in Seattle is a romantic comedy directed by Nora Ephron, starring Tom Hanks, Meg Ryan, and Ross Malinger. It follows the story of a recently widowed man's son who calls a radio talk show in an attempt to find his father a partner. This film has similar story elements, tone, and themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. Hopefully you like some of these films just as much as you did A Christmas Prince, The Royal Wedding. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film A Christmas Prince, The Royal Wedding. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. And until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.